in today's environment, it takes a lot of resources to ensure that someone has enough to retire on and retire in a way that they're living their dream.
We find the biggest issue is that retirement is something that for most people is off in the distance for many, many years until they're very close to it or until some event is now forcing them to think about it.
We're looking at working with individuals who are near retirement, who are selling a farm, selling a business, and working through the complex issues of transitioning from that business or farm environment into retirement.
And we're the resource. We're the people that they come to help them sort through that.
When they're selling off a business or selling off a farm operation, there's so many tax issues around that. We're trying to ensure that they keep the most in their pockets.
We have taxation issues, we've got debt repayment, we've got future cash flow issues. All of these things are basically on the table at one time. And what we find most people, when we talk to them, is they say, we don't even know what the questions are. We don't know where to start.
Anyone who ever has questions or concerns or doesn't understand what they need to do to take that next step of getting into retirement, then they can simply come and sit down and talk with us.
Just sit down and have a no obligation type of a chat where we gain some understanding of who you are, you gain an understanding of who we are.
Get to know you, get to understand you, and identify whether we can bring value to your table or not.
First step in our planning process is to sit down and gain a complete understanding of a person's life and their business.
And identifying all the issues that you're going to face when disposing of business or farm assets and moving into retirement.
We have a process to help people walk through it and tackle the issues in an organized fashion and basically to take a lot of the stress out of the issues that they're dealing with. The second step, very clearly, is to break apart those issues and come up with a game plan. Come up with an analysis of how do we move you from today to where you want to be tomorrow.
The full financial plan is really developing a plan that ties it all together to ensure that taxes, that debts, cash flow, income security, your estate plan, all is tied together. And that all your professional advisors, whether it's your accountant or lawyer, are all kept on the same page. We're looking to quarterback that.
It's comforting to have a team that is working with them, that understands the issues they're dealing with and is able to walk them through it one piece at a time. Clearly, the next step is then helping you put it in place.
That's what we're here for, to take that stress away from clients and they know and understand that someone's on their side keeping it all together.
We've got conversations with accountants, we've got conversations with lawyers, we've got possibly conversations with family members and other advisors that you may have involved in your situation. Well, somebody's got to pull that all together.
If you don't have that quarterback, it's incumbent upon the clients to ensure that they're on top of it all.
We're there as the go-to people, the people that are going to help you pull it together, help you coordinate so that the accounting people know what the legal people are doing and they know what the banking people are doing and pull the whole process together.
We understand one thing for sure, and everyone does, is that things change. So the initial plan is no good without a consistent follow-up plan, and every year we're ensuring that we're sitting down with our clients again and updating the situation on a regular basis.
At Pellegrini Financial and IPC Investment Corporation, this isn't a one-time deal for us. We've been working with people going through these types of situations for over 25 years. Once we've helped somebody get from point A to point B, clearly we take that as a sense of satisfaction in knowing that we were able to get them there and reduce the stress along the way.